Today I'd just like to talk about a product, solder paste. This is something that a lot of people use nowadays. It's the most economic way of soldering. It comes with a nozzle at the front which you attach, and basically with that you can put the precise amount of solder into the position that you need. It's also got a long shelf life. Fantastic thing with this is there's flux inside it, so you don't need to worry about using flux whatsoever. So it makes things a lot easier, so you're not chasing your solder around. Yeah, it's a really good product, and I used to use it all the time. It's obviously available in silver, easy, medium and hard. It's also available in 9-carat gold, easy, medium and hard, and also some 18 carats.